Alright, this video is for the GasOne high pressure propane burner, model B-5450. I received in the mail from Amazon approximately 4 days ago. As it comes out of the box, this stand here will be pre-assembled. What will come separate in a bag will be the fire release control plate. There will be a spring along with the hose that will connect out to your propane tank. Connected already is a 20 psi gauge here. So in the assembly, what you will do is place the fire release control plate on here. You'll place the spring in between the hose and the plate. The wide end of the spring will go against the fire release control plate. The narrower end will go to the hose. Then you will simply turn the nut on the hose there until it cranks in. You don't want to tighten it so much that you cannot maneuver the fire release control plate. This controls the airflow in. Then you're going to simply connect to your propane tank the other end. Crank it all the way in hand tight as you would with a grill. Okay, and then to turn things on, what you will do is actually turn on your PSI gauge, open it up a good ways to allow some good pressure to push that propane through. Open that propane tank. And as I turn up the PSI gauge on here, you can hear the propane pushing through. Simply light it. There we go. And then you can use the fire release control plate controlling the airflow through to adjust the intensity of the flame. The first time you light it, there may be some black paint around the flamed area that will catch on fire and burn off. Run it for 5-10 minutes or so and allow that paint to burn off before attempting to use for whatever purposes. Today I'm going to be putting it to use to fry a turkey. It's a great burner. Haven't had any problems with it so far, and that's it.